So Nvidia have put all of their money on OpenClaw, and they call it NemoClaw.
Cmd+AI.
Which is apparently an enterprise-ready version of OpenClaw, which they worked with Peter on. Jensen got on stage, announced it. Peter was in the audience in there, and this is a monumental shift on something that was a open source piece of kit that's admittedly still a little bit janky, a little bit rough around the edge. But I think, and we've already seen this, so many OpenClaw clones are coming out because the fundamental idea, what Karpathy said, he called them claws, this idea of these claws, which are multi-agent thing. He got up on stage and spoke about how NemoClaw has put in place a lot of harnesses and guardrails to enable it to become enterprise ready. I honestly don't know how you can guarantee, it's AI, I don't know how you can guarantee to enterprises that this is safe, that this is something that you can accurately say, yeah, it's not going to go off and delete all your emails and this, that, and the other. Do you know what I mean?
No.
Like, I've got my apprehensions, although, yeah, I've definitely got, definitely reserved here on whether it's going to actually take on and whether enterprises are actually going to commit to it. But it's good to see the progress.
Agents are as good as the access they have. And the less access you give them, the less useful they are. But generally speaking, I'm seeing a lot of like companies, also we are seeing this, they're trying to do this OpenClaw thing. By the way, Claude Code did this. They came out with OpenClaw, not OpenClaw. They came out with Claude Code Channel. Channel. So channel is a new update that I haven't used yet, but you start a session in your terminal and then you continue on your Telegram on your phone. So you can control your terminal.
Got it.
But
they are
competing
with OpenClaw.
Yeah.
They really are.
This is like still not the same level, because with OpenClaw you give it kind of like its own operating system, environment, everything. It can do everything. Even though like the terminal has the folder access, right? It can do things within that folder and what you give it access to. So it, but it is, from what I understand, it's the same session. So yeah.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.